Hey WorkSmart fam, have you ever uploaded a video knowing it's great but it doesn't get found on YouTube? You are not alone. Today I'm revealing the ultimate secret to getting your videos seen, liked, and subscribed to for ultimate monetization. We are going to dive into how to get your video hit by YouTube like never before. Most people ask, where do I put keywords? Is it the title, the description, the tags? Well, let's test it. I'm uploading three brand new unlisted videos to this channel. Video 1 will have our secret code in the title, video 2 in the description, and video 3 solely in the tags. We'll call this our YouTube video tags and description test. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's jump into an incognito window, logged out of YouTube, and search for our unique code. And look, video 1 with the code in the title appears almost immediately. Now let's search for video 2. Boom! There it is. The description is powerful, especially the first few lines. And for the video 3, which only has the code in the tags, it's not showing up yet. This demonstrates the hierarchy. This proves it. Your title is king of initial search. Your description is a close second, giving YouTube rich context. And while tags are still useful for categorization and related videos, they are not the primary driver for direct keyword search anymore. This is the correct way to tag YouTube videos and optimize your content. Now for super important bonus tip that impact your reach. When you upload a new video, YouTube indexes it almost instantly. But if you edit an existing video's title or description, it takes time. Your video goes into a re-indexing queue. So if you're making big changes, be patient. This is crucial for understanding YouTube video tags not showing immediately after an edit. But remember, keywords are just one piece of puzzle. While we are focusing on tags and text in this video, to truly get more views and land on the first page, you also need to create great, in-demand and engaging content, craft catchy titles, and design eye-catching thumbnails. These elements work together to attract viewers and keep them watching. So how do you apply this? Think about what your audience actually searches for. People type things like how to get more views using tags, right way to tag YouTube video, or YouTube video tags to get more views. Integrate these exact phrases naturally into your description, just like I'm doing in this video's description. Don't just list them, make them part of a compelling story. To truly master YouTube video tags, copy and paste strategies, and all aspects of getting found, make sure you're always thinking about the user's search intent. If this video helped you understand YouTube better, please like it right now. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway or any questions you have about YouTube video tags. And for more WorkSmart Hub content on automation, productivity, and dominating your digital space, make sure to subscribe. Let's get your videos on the first page and significantly increase your audience and reach for ultimate monetization.